Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to plan for retirement using Mint. If you're thinking about your golden years, this is the video for you. Mint is a fantastic, free app that helps you track your finances, budget effectively, and plan for the future. It's like having a personal financial advisor in your pocket. First things first, why use Mint for retirement planning? It's simple. It automates your financial tracking, giving you real-time insights into your spending, savings, and investments. This means you can focus on building that nest egg without getting bogged down by spreadsheets. Let's get started with the basics. Step 1. Sign up for a Mint account. Head to the Mint website or download the app. It's quick and easy. Once you're in, link your bank accounts, credit cards, and investment portfolios. Mint will pull in all your data automatically, so you don't have to enter everything manually. Next, set your retirement goals. In the app, go to the Goals section and create a specific one for retirement. Think about how much you want to save by a certain age, say, $1 million by 65. Mint will help you break this down into monthly contributions based on your current income and expenses. Now, track your spending. Mint categorizes your expenses, so you can see where your money is going. Cut back on unnecessary things like dining out or subscriptions to free up more for savings. Use the budgeting tools to allocate a percentage of your income towards retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. Don't forget to monitor your progress. Mint sends alerts if you're overspending or falling behind on goals, and it offers personalized advice. For example, if you're not saving enough, it might suggest increasing your contributions or finding ways to boost your income. One pro tip. Integrate Mint with other tools like investment apps for a full picture. Remember, retirement planning is ongoing, so review and adjust your plan quarterly. By using Mint, you'll feel more confident and in control of your financial future. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments how you're planning for retirement. Thanks for watching. See you next time.